Hello everyone. If you are looking to deposit funds from your RBC account to your Fidelity Investment account, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. So now let's get started and make the process quick and hassle-free. Begin by logging into your RBC online banking account. You can do this on the RBC website or the mobile application. Enter your credentials and don't forget to complete any two-factor authentication if required to secure your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Pay Bills and Transfer Funds section. Here, click Add Payee in the search bar, type Fidelity Investments, and select it from the list of available payees. Now input your Fidelity account number as the payee reference. Double check the number to ensure there are no errors, as this will determine where the funds go. Next, go to the Transfer Funds section. Choose the account from which you would like to transfer the money. This could be your RBC checking or savings account. For the destination, select Fidelity Investments from your list of payees. Enter the amount you would like to deposit, ensuring it aligns with your investment goals. Now, before finalizing, carefully review the transaction details, double check the payee, the amount, and the account number to avoid any mistakes. Now, once everything looks good, confirm the transfer, and RBC will process the transaction, and you will receive a confirmation message or email. Note that it might take 1 to 3 business days for the funds to appear in your Fidelity account. And that's it. You have successfully deposited funds from RBC to your Fidelity account. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.